Good morning, dear students. Class 9, computer class. Today we will start chapter number 4, values and data types. So you all open page number 46. Page number 46. In this chapter, the first topic is Java character set. Means in Java which characters we can use. So a Java character set is a set of valid characters which we can use in this language Java. Means which can be recognized by the language Java. Only those characters are valid and those can come in the Java character set. These characters can be any letter, digit or any other sign which we can use in the Java language. This topic is tokens. This is also the part of our Java character set which we can use in the programming. So token is the smallest individual part of our Java program. Smallest individual parts means it has its own identification but it cannot divide further. In Java, mainly there are 5 types of tokens. Number 1 is keyword. Number 2, identifiers. Number 3, literals. Number 4, punctuators or separators. And number 5, operators. Today we will discuss about 2 types of tokens, keywords and identifier. Rest of them we will discuss in next class. So first of all, we'll discuss about keywords. Keywords are the reserved words which can be used in the Java programming for some special purpose. It conveys a special meaning to the language compiler. So you cannot use these keywords as the name of identifiers. What are identifiers? We will see next, but first you should understand that these keywords are reserved for some special purpose and it cannot use for any other purpose. Some examples of keywords are break, int, switch, while, etc. These keywords you already used in last class, in previous class you used. So you are familiar with these keywords and you know that these keywords cannot be used for any other purpose in the program. Now we will see what are identifiers. So these are the names given to the different parts of programs like variables, objects, classes, functions, arrays, constants, etc. Means identifiers are the names which can be used as the name of variables, as the name of objects, as the name of classes, as the name of functions, as the name of arrays and in the name of constants. But if we will use these names as the identifiers, we have to follow some rules. So these are the rules. First of all, these identifiers are case sensitive. It means uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. Means if your variable name is in uppercase letters AGE, and next time if you will use the same variable in the lowercase AGE, both will be treated differently. Both will not represent the same variable. So, be careful when you are writing the names of identifiers, because Java is case sensitive. That's why identifiers are also case sensitive. Next, keywords or reserved words cannot be used as identifier. Means keywords and reserved words, as I already explained you, these are used for special purpose and it cannot be used as the name of variable or as the name of classes or as the name of functions or arrays. The next rule is the first character of an identifier must be a letter, underscore or dollar sign. Only these are allowed as the first character of any identifier: letter, underscore or dollar sign. The rest of the characters in the identifiers can be letter, can be underscore, can be dollar sign or can be any digit. It means first character of the identifier cannot be a digit. Next rule, your identifier name can be of any length. And next one, last rule is, in the name of identifiers, spaces are not allowed. Means within the name of identifier, you cannot give the space. In the place of spaces, you can use underscore. So these were the identifiers forming rules. You can use these rules. You will use the when you will write the name of identifiers. Now you just identify these identifiers are valid or not. First of all, 7-day. You can see here 7 is the first character of the identifier name here and it is written in digit. That's why it is invalid, because first character should not be digit. Next example is A plus B. Is this valid or invalid? Yes, it is also invalid because we are using here in between A and B one operators. Operators are not allowed in the name of identifiers. Next is my name. It is valid. Next, date underscore of underscore birth. This is also valid because underscores are allowed in the name of identifiers. Next is roll and no dot. This will be invalid because dots means any special characters are not allowed except underscore and dollar sign. Next is $100 to $2000. Yes, this is valid because we are using here dollar sign. So dollar sign is allowed. Next, underscore father name. This is also valid because as the first character underscore is also allowed. Next is double, double. It will be invalid. Why? Because double is a reserved word or keyword and it is not allowed. It cannot be used as the name of identifiers. I think in this way it will be clear which type of identifier names are valid and which are invalid. So go thoroughly the book. These two topics, tokens and identifiers. Next day we will discuss literals, separators and operators. Okay. That time have a great day. Thank you.